Hello everyone, welcome back to another Rubik's Relay. In this Rubik's Relay we'll be solving all 6 cubes you see here. Leave a like if you enjoy and comment down below what cubes you can solve. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Alright, now that they're all scrambled, let's get into solving them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. Also, comment down below how long you think this took to film and how long it took to solve all of these cubes. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.